Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to bust some common myths about meditation that might be stopping you from giving it a try or sticking with it. Meditation is a powerful tool for mental health and well-being, but misunderstandings can create barriers. Let's clear up some of these misconceptions so you can get the most out of it. Myth 1. Meditation is about stopping your thoughts. One big myth about mindfulness meditation is that it's all about stopping your thoughts. This can discourage beginners and make them quit too soon. In truth, meditation is not about blocking thoughts or emptying your mind. It's actually about gently observing your thoughts without judging them. During meditation, it's normal for thoughts to pop up. The key is to calmly observe your thoughts, not pursue or push them away, and avoid judging them. Let them pass like clouds moving across the sky, and return your focus to the present moment, your breath sensations. This approach helps you understand how your mind works. Over time, it can lead you to feel less overwhelmed by your thoughts. This is because you learn not to get too caught up in them. You start to see that thoughts are just thoughts and not facts. So remember, if thoughts keep coming while you meditate, don't worry. You are actually practicing exactly how you should be. Myth 2. You need to meditate for hours for it to be effective. Another common myth is that you need to meditate for long periods, like an hour or more each day, to see any benefits. This can feel overwhelming for beginners or busy professionals who have little free time. However, the truth is quite the opposite. Even short periods of meditation, such as 5 or 10 minutes daily, can make a significant difference in reducing stress, improving your focus, and cultivating awareness and inner peace. The key is consistency, not duration. Regular, short sessions can be just as beneficial as longer ones, especially when starting out. Myth 3. Meditation is a religious practice. Some people believe that meditation is strictly a religious or spiritual activity. While it's true that meditation has historical roots in various religious traditions, today's mindfulness practices are universal and designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their religion, faith, or background. Meditation focuses on techniques to calm the mind and enhance focus, making it a practical tool for anyone looking to improve their mental well-being. It's used worldwide in various settings, including schools, offices, and sports training programs, emphasizing its universal appeal and applicability. By understanding what meditation is really about and busting these myths, you can approach the practice with a clearer mind and more realistic expectations. Remember, meditation is a skill that improves with practice and patience. Thank you for joining me today, and I see you in the next video.